And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to apply kind of a circle motion blur in any image. Just give the image we've just opened a new name. You will find that image as always via the description link. Copy it 2 times by pressing Ctrl J 2 times. Give the first copy the name blur, the second one the name model. Our original image will be our backup. Have the model layer activated, select the quick selection tool and select the model. If you want to get rid of parts of the selection, just hold Alt and then go over these parts. I will speed up the process a little bit. And that's it. If you are satisfied with your selection, click on the layer mask and click on Select and Mask. Increase the radius a little bit. Then have the Refine Edge Brush tool selected and make sure that the plus sign is also selected. You can adjust the size over here. 50 pixels should be fine for this image, and then go over the edges, especially in the area where there is hair. Hair is always a bit tricky to select. I'm going to speed up this process as well. If you are done with your refinement, you can press Ctrl and 0 to zoom out to 100%. If you're satisfied, click on OK. And now we have a layer that has only the model selected. We will take care now of the blur. So have the blur layer activated. Then go to Filter and Convert for Smart Filters. This warning message might show up, just click OK. Afterwards we can apply the filter to the layer. Click on Filter, Blur Gallery and Path Blur. There you'll find these 2 dots with a line in between. You can drag them with your mouse. And there's a middle dot. You can drag that to each side and thus create that circle blur. If you want to create a new line, just click on a random point and click on a second one. Afterwards you have to click once again on the second point to release the selection, and then you can drag the middle point to create the circle blur to the other side as well. Increase the speed a little bit. That was too much. That should be good for our image. Or maybe I'll adjust the circle on the right side a little bit. And that's good. Click on OK. Photoshop might take some time to do its magic. But there we have it. Now activate or make the model layer visible again, and there you see the blur effect is applied to the background and a little bit to the model as well, as we haven't cut out her in the blur layer. I like the effect that way. If you don't want to have the blur effect applied to the model, you can simply press Ctrl J while having the model layer activated and then inverse the layer mask by activating the layer mask of the model copy layer and pressing Ctrl I. That way you have only the background selected in that layer, and then you would have to apply the blur to that new model copy layer. But as I've said, I like the effect when it is applied a little bit to the model as well. Here's our final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.